Stop. Ew. Your internet will not display. Does that mean the internet's down? No. Stop! Oh, I want to see Mel. No, I don't. It's dark in here. Ah! What is that? I can't read it.
It's sunblock.
Oh, you bitch.
What am I doing? It's only get a tan. What the crap?
Oh, that smells terrible. I hate you. Come back in here. I'm bored. I have to sneeze. Leanna, come here. Come here. Ew, your kitchen's dirty. Haha. I got a donkey.